what I got. I tend to tee up high because usually when I hit this ball, it's because I'm topping it. So I'm going to try to hit this ball and see what you think about this swing. Matt, how's it look? Here we go. Okay, I hit that ball pretty clean, but a lot of height and not very much distance at all, which seems to be my MO.
What does that mean?
Modus operandi.
Italian? Oh, you're smart.
Everybody knows that.
Okay.
Okay. Ground's a bit hard. So I mean, the ball I just hit is probably 200 yards and straight, but you know, I need to get a little more power. Yeah. Here we go. I occasionally hit the ground with my driver, which is what you're looking to do. Alright, Matt, are you nice and close?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I do that once in a while too. It's pretty embarrassing. Taking a divot on a driver is not what you're looking for usually.
He's not going to hear a word you just said.
Alright. Stay back there for me. Now, here we go. Practice swing always feels good. And that ball was hit pretty well. I'm guessing about 230 yards, but had a big slice in it. So unless it's a wide open fairway, it's not going to do much for me. But I made contact, and as you saw from the previous swing, making contact is my main objective. Okay, I got one more here. Ooh, I'm out of tees. Oh, wait a minute. See if we can put something together here. The ground is very hard, so... But we'll try to tee one up a little bit low here. See if we can pick it out of here. Yo, Matthew, get one from behind, please. Okay, it's going to be the last swing. And that's your 30-yard pop-up. So I took 4 swings, hit 2 solid, hit 2 almost missed the ball and got a divot from a driver, and the 2 I hit solid, one was fairly straight, high and short, and one had more juice on it, but a huge slice. I generally set up with the ball about in the middle of my stance. I try to think about my left arm. I try to come back, but I think when I come back, I lose my balance a lot. So that's it. You've got the information. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Matthew.